Greetings, seekers of inner truth and serenity. As your devoted spiritual guide, I beckon you to embark on a profound journey of self-discovery, understanding, and transformation. Meditation, the sacred art that harmonizes the realms of mind, body, and spirit, often appears as an oasis of calm. In the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, amidst the constant whirlwind of activities and responsibilities, we often find ourselves yearning for a sanctuary of stillness, a respite for our restless minds. This is where meditation steps onto the stage, a timeless practice that holds the power to transform our inner landscape and, consequently, our entire existence. Yet for many, it's a terrain fraught with challenges, requiring us to navigate the labyrinth of our own thoughts. Let us dive deeply into the intricate layers of this challenge, and in doing so, find the guiding light to overcome them. Unraveling the complex puzzle, deconstructing the why behind meditation struggles. Meditation, dear souls, is no switch to be flipped on. It's a voyage that demands patience, resilience, and a willingness to embrace the unknown facets of our own being. Let us embark on a journey of introspection and understanding, unraveling the multifaceted reasons that contribute to the perceived difficulty. In other words, 5 reasons why you suck at meditating. Number 1. The restless mind symphony. Picture the mind as a perpetual orchestra playing a symphony of thoughts. The ceaseless chatter, like instruments in a crescendo, can disrupt the tranquility of the present moment. Number 2. Too many disturbances. When meditating, please ensure that you are in a quiet place with no distractions. If you need to, use noise-cancelling headphones to ensure you are fully present in your meditation session. Number 3. Tangled webs of expectation. The realm of meditation is often clouded by unrealistic expectations. Yearning for instant tranquility can inadvertently add tension, leaving you further from the desired state of calm. Number 4. Impatience's thorny grip. In an era of instant gratification, meditation's gradual unfolding can be confounding. The impatience to experience immediate results becomes a thorny barrier. Number 5. The unfamiliar anchor. The practice requires an anchor, a focal point like the breath or mantra. But for the uninitiated, embracing this unfamiliarity can be akin to stepping into uncharted waters. Number 6. The battle of control. Meditation introduces us to a curious paradox. The pursuit of controlling thoughts often leads to a tug-of-war within, creating turmoil instead of tranquility. Now let's get into 10 general tips you can follow to improve your meditation experiences, my fellow beloved souls. Seekers, it is in the face of challenges that our journey takes on new dimensions. Allow the wisdom of experience to illuminate the path and guide you toward mastery. And number 1, a compassionate embrace. Approach your wandering thoughts with compassion. Instead of admonishing, understand their nature to explore. Gently guide them back to the anchor. Number 2, the art of waiting. Transform impatience into a companion. Recognize that meditation's treasures unfurl like blossoms, one petal at a time. Your patience is a key to unlocking inner riches. Number 3. Untangling expectation knots. Free yourself from the chains of expectation. Embrace each meditation session without anticipations, letting go of any predefined outcomes. Number 4. Anchoring as a journey. Choose your anchor wisely, a touchpoint like the breath. As you commit to it, let it be a beacon, guiding you through the tumultuous sea of thoughts. Number 5. Dancing with thoughts. Acknowledge that thoughts will arise like leaves floating on a stream. Rather than resisting them, dance with their currents, observing without entanglement. Number 6. A journey, not a destination. Realize that growth occurs not only in moments of tranquility, but also amid challenges. Embrace each experience as a step forward on your path. Number 7. Consistency and the art of patience. Dedicate yourself to a regular practice. Even when progress feels gradual, each meditation contributes to your tapestry of transformation. Number 8. The gentle art of redirecting. Instead of wresting control over thoughts, gently redirect your focus to the anchor. In this subtlety lies the magic of progress. Number 9. Embodiment of the present. Cultivate mindfulness beyond meditation. As you go about daily life, remain anchored in the present moment. This practice seamlessly intertwines with meditation. Number 10. Honoring small victories. Each time you return to your anchor amidst the waves of thought, celebrate. These small triumphs lay the foundation for greater mastery. Number 11. Transcending challenges, cultivating the inner light. Dear souls, challenges encountered in meditation are not obstacles, but rather guides pointing you toward growth. Embrace them as opportunities for self-discovery and transformation. With patience, consistency, and self-compassion, you'll unravel the layers of your being. With each breath, with each moment of stillness, you inch closer to your essence. Just as dawn follows the darkest night, the radiance of your inner self shall emerge, guiding you toward boundless tranquility. Embrace this journey. It is the path to your own radiant light. Remember, the journey of meditation is not a race, but a pilgrimage within, where each step taken with patience and self-compassion is a triumph. As you navigate the labyrinth of your own thoughts, know that you're not alone. Countless souls have trodden this path, and each challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. If you found this exploration resonant and enlightening, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on self-discovery, mindfulness, and spiritual growth. Let's continue this journey together, embracing each moment as a chance to deepen our connection with ourselves and the universe around us. Thank you for joining us on this voyage of introspection and wisdom. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with inner peace, and may you find solace in the stillness of your heart. Remember, the light you seek resides within you, waiting to illuminate your path. Stay blessed, stay mindful, and stay tuned for more enlightening insights.